Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you 5 powerful strategies to increase your affiliate income by 50% or more. If you're already making some sales, but you're struggling to scale it up, or you feel like you're working hard, but not really seeing any big results, well, you're not alone. The truth is that most affiliates stay stuck at the beginner level because they're missing key strategies that separate average earners from high-level marketers. This is all about working smarter, because a few small tweaks in your approach can completely change your results. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to increase your conversions, maximize your earnings, and start making more money with the same amount of effort that you're already putting in now. These are the exact strategies top affiliates use to go from making a few dollars per day to thousands of dollars per month. And if you apply them correctly, you'll start seeing the difference in your own results really quite fast. And real quick, if you're serious about growing your affiliate business, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. I'm dropping new high-level strategies every week to help you scale. I also have a free guide, Financial Freedom with Affiliate Marketing, available from my academy. Just follow the link in the description below. Alright, let's get into it. Strategy 1. High ticket and reoccurring commissions. One of the biggest mistakes I see new affiliates making is focusing only on low ticket products. They promote things that pay $5, $10 or maybe $20 per sale, thinking that if they get enough sales they'll eventually make good money. But let's be real, would you rather sell 500 products at $10 or 50 products at $100 each? That's the difference between low ticket and high ticket offers. You do the same amount of work, but one strategy makes 10 times more money. Now, let's take it one step further. What if instead of making a one-time commission, you got paid every single month, just for that one sale? That's where reoccurring commissions come in. Instead of constantly chasing new customers, you can get paid month after month from the same sale. On screen are a few examples of high ticket and reoccurring products. Software and tools. SaaS products like ClickFunnels, Kartra and other hosting services. Coaching and online programs. High value courses and mentorship programs. Membership and subscription based offers. Products that customers pay for every single month. This is how top affiliates scale fast. Instead of grinding for small commissions, they focus on offers that bring in bigger paydays and consistent income. Strategy 2. Using bonuses to boost your conversions. Have you ever wondered why some affiliates make a ton of sales, while others promoting the exact same product struggle to even get one sale? The secret isn't always in the product itself. Usually it's in the offer. Top affiliates don't just send people to a product, they create an irresistible reason for people to buy through their link. And the easiest way to do this is bonuses. So here's why bonuses work so well. They add extra perceived value. If someone is already considering the product, bonuses can be the push they need. They differentiate you from other affiliates. The product might be the same, but your offer is unique. They remove hesitation. People feel like they're getting more for their money, which makes them want to act fast, so as not to lose the additional value. Think of it like this. If 2 stores are selling the same phone, but one store includes a free case or a free set of headphones, where are you going to buy? You're going to buy from the store with the free extra. That is exactly how bonuses work in affiliate marketing. On screen are a few easy to create bonus ideas. PDF guides and cheat sheets. A quick how to get the most out of this product guide. Exclusive templates or checklists, something like a ready-to-use resource that makes the product easier to use or easier to understand. Mini video tutorials, like a walkthrough of how you personally use the product or how the product helped you out. And the best part, your bonus doesn't need to take weeks to create. Something like a simple checklist, a PDF, or a short video can be put together in a day, and it's likely enough to tip the sale in your favour. So now you have your bonuses. Where do you actually promote them? Well, bridge pages are a simple page that explains the products and your bonuses. Your email sequence, remind people that your bonus is only available to them through your link. This will stop them going elsewhere. And of course, direct offers. Mention your bonuses in your content to help increase urgency. So if you're not offering bonuses yet, then you're missing out on a huge conversion booster. Strategy 3, email marketing and retargeting. Most people do not buy the first time they see an offer. In fact, studies show that only about 1 to 3% of people will make an immediate purchase. That means if you're just sending traffic straight to an affiliate link and hoping for sales, then you're leaving behind 97% of potential buyers. So how do you turn those lost visitors into commissions? Well, 2 things: email marketing and retargeting. Why email marketing works? Let's start with email. Here's the reality. People need multiple touch points before they buy. They need reminders, more information, and trust before they feel comfortable spending money. Emails give you direct access to your audience. There's no risk of algorithm changes, no disappearing reach. Your audience are your own. It keeps you at the top of their mind. So instead of losing visitors, you stay in their inbox regularly. Even if they don't open the majority of your emails, they're still seeing your name regularly, which helps to build confidence in you and your brand. And it allows you to nurture your leads. You can provide value to customers before asking for the sale. The best email sequences follow a simple rule: value first, then the offer. Email 1. Deliver your free resource, like your checklist, guide, or your bonus. Email 2. Provide value by sharing insights, case studies, or a personal experience. Email 3. Introduce the affiliate offer. Explain to them why the product's a game changer and why they need it. Email 4 and on. Follow up with urgency. This is where you can use bonuses, limited time pricing, or success stories. Now, let's talk about retargeting. If you've ever looked at a product online and then started seeing ads for it everywhere else, then congratulations, you have been retargeted. The reason for this is that warm traffic converts far better than cold traffic. These people have already shown interest. Retargeting brings them back. So instead of relying on them to remember you, they start seeing you and your offer everywhere, all over, which helps to build confidence. People don't buy from strangers. So if you appear omnipresent, then subconsciously you're no longer a stranger to them. On screen is an example of a retargeting strategy. Capture the emails from visitors who don't buy the first time. Follow up with valuable content and special offers. And retarget with ads, reminding them why they were interested in the first place. Affiliate marketing isn't just about getting clicks. It's about staying in front of your audience until they're ready to buy. It may take time, but they will reach that stage eventually. Strategy 4. Leveraging authority and personal branding. If 2 people are recommending the same product, one is a well-known expert and the other is a random person that you've never heard of, who are you more likely to trust and who are you more likely to buy from? People don't just buy based on the product, they buy based on who is recommending it. And that's exactly why top affiliates focus on branding authority and personal branding, because trust is what drives conversions. Why people buy from trusted names? People want reassurance. They need to feel confident that the product works and that the product is right for them. Familiarity builds trust. The more someone sees you, the more likely they are to listen to your recommendations. Experts get better conversions. Higher trust means fewer objections, especially if you're selling high ticket. The buyer needs to trust you, your product, and your company. So how do you build trust if you're not a big name yet? Well, it's actually fairly simple. Share valuable content. Teach, educate, and help your audience for free. Provide them with as much value as possible. Show results. Your results, the results of others. You can share testimonials, case studies, or personal experiences. Engage and interact. Reply to comments, answer questions, and build a relationship with your audience. You don't need to be an expert to build authority. You just need to be one step ahead of the people that you're helping. When you consistently share valuable insights, people start seeing you as the go-to person in your niche. And once they trust you, they'll buy from you. One of the fastest ways to build authority is through content. And the best way to do this is using a content pyramid strategy. Step 1. Short form content like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels. These quick engaging clips help to get attention. Step 2. Long form content like YouTube, blog posts, in-depth guides. These are more detailed and great for building trust. Step 3. Email lists. This is for your exclusive content and offers. It's the most direct way to build a deeper trust with your audience. The more touch points people have with you, the more likely they are to trust your recommendations. Strategy 5. Scaling with paid ads. Most affiliates dream of running paid ads and waking up to passive commissions, but in reality, most people burn through their budget and get no results and quit paid ads completely. Paid ads are incredibly powerful, but only if you know how to use them correctly. And the key is starting small and scaling up strategically. Why most affiliates struggle with paid ads? Well, they jump in with big budgets, but no tested strategy, no A/B testing. They just hope for the best. A great example would be an ad that I ran last year. It started to gain traction with the over 65 crowd, but only in Florida. If I hadn't been closely monitoring or testing my ads, I would have wasted huge chunks of my marketing budget advertising to over 65s everywhere rather than just Florida. The next reason is that they send traffic straight to an affiliate link and get low commissions and low conversions because most people just won't buy the first time. And they don't track or optimize their ads, so they're constantly wasting money. Here's how to avoid these mistakes and scale profitably. Start with a small budget, $5 or maybe $10 a day, and focus on gathering data, not instant profits. I will usually test an ad with a small budget for 14 days before ramping up the spend. Only scale what's working. If an ad brings in commissions, then reinvest and increase the budget. And use earnings to fund future ads. Never risk more than what your business is currently making. The smartest affiliates don't throw thousands at ads and just hope for results. They let the profits guide their scaling. Right, the best platforms for paid ads. YouTube ads, these are cheap and produce highly engaged traffic that converts well. Facebook retargeting, this brings back people who've already shown an interest. And Google ads, these target buyers actively searching for a solution. Each platform has its strengths, but retargeting is where the real money is. You're advertising to people who already know you, which means higher conversions and lower ad costs. On screen is a simple paid ad strategy to avoid wasting money. Step 1. Test a small $5 a day ad. Drive traffic to a lead magnet, not just an affiliate link. Step 2. Track the performance. Look at the click-through rates, cost per lead, and the conversions. Step 3, scale up only when it's profitable. Increase the budget on the ads that are bringing in sales and ditch the ones that aren't. Affiliate marketing with paid ads is all about spending smart. Small strategic scaling will get you far better results than throwing money at random campaigns and just hoping for the best. Alright, we've just covered 5 powerful strategies that can increase your affiliate income by 50% or more. So let's do a quick recap. Strategy 1, high ticket and reoccurring commissions. Stop grinding for small commissions, focus on products that pay you more and bring in consistent reoccurring income. Strategy 2, using bonuses to boost conversions. Stand out from other affiliates by offering extra value. Even a simple PDF, checklist or template can make all the difference. Strategy 3, email marketing and retargeting. Don't lose potential customers, follow up with an email sequence and retargeting ads to bring people back. Strategy 4, leveraging authority and personal branding. People buy from those they trust. Create content, engage with your audience and position yourself as the go-to expert in your niche. Strategy 5, scaling with paid ads. Start small, reinvest your profits, and only scale when you have a proven strategy. Now, watching this video is one thing, but actually taking action is what's going to grow your business. If you want a complete breakdown of these strategies, then grab my free guide. The link is in the description. And if you're serious about scaling your affiliate income fast, then my full affiliate marketing masterclass is also available. It walks you through the exact system top affiliates use to grow their business. I also have an affiliate program, so if you want to promote proven products that convert well and pay high commissions of up to 50% on each sale, then follow the link in the description. It is free to join. Before you go, drop a comment below and let me know which strategy you're going to use first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.